Hi, I'm André Small, Certified Financial Planner. When was the last time you took a serious look at your finances? If you're like most of my clients, you know how much you earn and what's in your savings account, but do you have a complete picture of your financial life? That's exactly what this video is about. Organization brings clarity. It's the foundation for everything that comes next. Without it, you're left wondering, where am I financially? Can I afford this? Am I on track? The good news, you don't have to be perfect. You just need to start. There are 3 foundational steps to organizing your financial life. First, your cash flow and budget. This is where you understand exactly where your money is going each month. Second, your assets and liabilities. This reveals your true net worth and gives you a complete picture of what you own and what you owe. Third, your risk tolerance and capacity. This helps you understand how much risk you can actually take with your investments and goals. Once you have these 3 pieces in place, you can set real goals, not vague wishes, but specific, measurable, and time-based goals. For example, instead of, I want to buy a vacation home, your goal becomes purchase a $500,000 vacation home in your desired city within the next 5 years by saving $96,079.20 annually. That's a goal that you can actually achieve. You've already taken the first step by downloading the ebook. Now it's time to take action. I've created a 3-day challenge to help you complete these foundational steps in just 15 minutes a day. Or if you would like personalized guidance, let's schedule a conversation. Visit asmallinvestment.com/lets-talk.